step into the Jeep 2016 Renegade Latitude. If you are looking for an automobile with great features, look no further. Some of the top features included with this vehicle are 6 speakers, AM/FM radio, Sirius XM, radio data system, radio, Uconnect 5.0, air conditioning, rear window defroster, power steering, power windows and remote keyless entry. Low mileage is an important factor in your purchase, and this vehicle delivers a low odometer reading. Let us put you in the driver's seat today. Call or click to schedule a test drive.